Good afternoon, SteadyTrade treats, listeners, fans, followers, viewers. Anyways, I'm gonna just kind of get into it. On Monday I talked about how I thought the NFT sector had some more juice to it. Sure enough, on Tuesday we continued to push. Now today it looks a lot slower. The industry, the sector leader TCAT, as I speak, is down in the 40s, the very low 40s. And even DLPN yesterday, which after hours announced a partnership with HOFV, which I believe is a gaming company. Could be wrong, don't quote me on that. Even that's fading off after hitting a high of 38 pre-market. So basically use this as, remember this. The sector leader was TCAT, right? TKAT. Hit a high of 74.11. And now that that's fading off really hard, the rest of the sector is also, even when there's another strong stock, it is going to die off, or probably will die off unless a new sector leader emerges, which is a little bit rare. DLPN kind of tried to do it. It just didn't have the juice. It's getting really exhausted, and that's okay. Be okay with taking like smaller moves now. Be okay with not going for these massive runners, because the NFT sector as a whole, a little bit choppy. And I'm not saying, even with TCAT dying, with DLPN fading, that doesn't mean that the sector will not produce more moves. It's simply that the moves probably aren't going to be as drastic anymore. OTC stocks might still release news, NFT news, and they might still have really nice 1-day, 2-day spikes. Again, it's just probably not going to be a massive multi-day runner. I can't predict that. That's just basically what I've seen from other previous hot sectors. Don't expect, when that sector leader dies, don't expect the sector to stay hot unless that new sector leader emerges. It's really hard for it to do, though. And other than that, the market as a whole has been pretty choppy. The NASDAQ was, between red and green and just chopping around. The market really doesn't know what it wants to do, and that's fine. Just take this time to take the small gains. But I'm done. I've traded for an hour today. I'm done trading. I've got some more apartments to go look at. Don't push it, though. This isn't like a month ago. Well, actually, probably closer to 2 months ago now, where there was a play every minute of the day. If you weren't at your computer, you were missing something. Now it's make your quick gain, or even take your small loss and walk. There will be more tomorrow, but there probably won't be more midday. And that's really all I've got. Again, the market is slowing down a little bit here, just really choppy. I'm not saying that there'll probably still be some nice runners end of day. Again, just use that midday, recognize that the sector is slowing down, and, move on with your life. The whole reason we trade is to be free, right? To have that freedom away from our screens. Utilize it. And guys, I'll see you back here on Friday. Hopefully we can get some more spikers, some stuff to talk about. And, until then, I'll see you then.